Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making chicken cheese dinner rolls. But before I go into the kitchen, I want to take the time out to wish my sisters and my nephew a happy birthday. Shana K, Rochelle, and Kayla, and Jason, which is my nephew. Yeah, I wanted the time out to make a note that yes, you guys are well appreciated. You guys are loved by all of us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you guys. Happy birthday to you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. May the dear Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Anyways guys, so let's get into the kitchen.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Queen, my ties them tick like pumpkin. Look on me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
So guys, what I have here is 4 cups of flour, roughly 4.5 tablespoons of butter, and a cup of milk. So now I will be adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And my 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. So guys, if you don't already know, I have done a video like this before, but the thing is I've lost some footage, and because I really want to do this for you guys to see and for you guys to have another recipe to put in your book or to make for your family, yeah, I decided say yo, I'm going to do it again. So now I'm just mixing the ingredients, the wet ingredients. So to my dry ingredients, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of salt. And guys, if you don't have a lot of people in your family, so guys, as I was saying before, if you have a small family, you can have this recipe and it would work good for you. So now with all my dry ingredients together, now I'll be adding the wet. This is 2 large eggs. Also, and always remember guys, don't add all the wet ingredients or else it's going to be a little bit difficult for you if you don't have enough flour. So, as I said, I'm adding a little at a time. Also, and if you're afraid to get your hands dirty so quick, you can use a spatula, of course, or if you do have a mixer, that would also be good for you. But because of my hand I have, that's what I'm using. And also guys, I also wanted to make this back for a while, so why not film it for you guys to see and recreate the recipe. So as you can see, this definitely need more wet ingredients, so I'll be adding some more. So guys, with my dough being ready to rest, I'll be cooking up some stuff for you guys to see. Yeah, some vegetable and some chicken and yeah. Anyways, you need your dough to be quite soft. And this is how my dough is looking. I'm gonna give you a close up. And guys, I didn't use all of the milk, or wet ingredients should I say. So now I'll be giving this at least 30 minutes to an hour time. So now guys, I'll be cutting up my chicken breast for it to boil faster, because actually I'm working on a time, so I'm just trying to get things done as fast as I can. So hopefully with these in smaller pieces, it can take around 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah. So guys, with my pot ready to boil any second now, I'll be adding in my chicken breast. As I said before guys, if you have a smaller family or it's for you alone, you can half the ingredients. It's being boiled away. Now I'm gonna cut up some greens. Pak choy, bok choy, pop choy, any name I'm gonna call it. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. And also because it's gonna be in the dinner rolls, it has to be fine, or do whatever you like. And you don't only have to use this, you can use any other greens you like with any vegetables. And guys, don't use little bit, not because you don't like greens. Remember say when it's all being cooked down, it will shrink. So I'm using a lot, and so should you, you know. Even though we want to make a meal that we're gonna enjoy, or a cheat meal, any name you like to call it, feel free and feel good to put some greens in it too. Yeah, you know, 2020 we depend on the healthy eating habits. And if you think me done, I just a begin. So I'm with any and everyone who's deciding to eat healthy in 2020. Guys, don't even bother open your eye too wide on them here, because as I put them in a pot, them are shrink. So I'm making enough for my family to enjoy and also feel good in themselves, knowing that they're eating healthy, even though it's kind of like a cheat day meal. Now I'm cutting up my onion, a large onion of course. So guys, from my sister the chicken boil, I will be shredding them, and that's what I'm doing right now. Now you can be all fancy if you don't like to touch them and use a fork and a knife or any equipment to use to shred chicken, but me, I'm using my hands because it's easier that way. So guys, I've added roughly a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon of oil, because we're keeping it healthy. So guys, now I'm adding my pak choy. So now I'm just turning up my stove on medium heat. So guys, after 1.5 minutes of steaming, this is how it looks, and now I'll be adding my chicken breast. And bear in mind that I haven't added any other seasonings to the pot as yet. So guys, as I always say, don't waste nothing. Add every single bit and drop to the pot. Okay, you know, when the food done, I said, Jesus, I wish me they have look more. You know, them look drop the way I add to the pot and say, now waste nothing. It come in handy at that point. So let's mix. So guys, now with my chicken in, I'll be adding in my powdered seasonings, of course. So now I know when I this a little bit of everything. You know, us Jamaicans love for chew season until our ancestors tell over stop. Yeah, so what's in my mix of seasonings are black pepper, salt, Maggi chicken, Maggi all-purpose, paprika, and you can add seasons to your liking. So if you don't like black pepper, leave it out. So after taking the dough or piece of the dough out, this is what I'm doing to it. And also guys, the dough that you're going to use for one roll, it all depends on how big you want the roll to be. So guys, with my surface and my rolling pin being well floured, let's go. And also, if you don't need a little more flour, don't be afraid to add it. So guys, it's now time to add my mixture of chicken and veggies. And of course, some cheese, mozzarella and New Zealand cheese. Guys, I just love them, and they were selling a little cheaper the other day, so I went and bought them. Now, I'm gonna watch my rolling technique. So this is one. Now I'll be adding in my non-stick spray. Heavily coated. And this is one. You don't add it exactly to the end. Then you get the cheese of your choice, of course. If you like mozzarella, go ahead. Now you draw one side up and over. You draw the other side up and over. And because then you roll or fold. And leave this side on the bottom. You can get some water wet here and stick it on. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So guys, I've got 17, but really it's 16 of the dinner rolls it's supposed to make. These two in the corner, I'm so sorry you guys can't see it, give me a second. Yeah, them little two tubs here in a corner, I just cheese alone there in them because the meat finished. Yeah, but I'm still grateful, you know. So the batter is supposed to make around 16 and half is going to make 8. Oh, and guys, remember to have your egg wash ready for when it's about to be finished. Then you just, you know, brush that over it. We'll make a use spoon because that's what I have. Anyways, yeah, forget that golden brown look. That's what we all want. So guys, it has been 16 minutes and I'm taking it out to add my egg wash and back in the oven. Oh, what kind of seasoning is in my egg wash is the Badia seasoning. Actually, you can use garlic or anything you have on hand or anything you would like to use, because to be honest, I'm not in the mood to be cutting up, you know, garlic and all of that. Yeah, so it's time to put this in. Take out the other one. So guys, this is it. Yeah, look at the egg wash and the cheese will actually come out, but that's fine, it's all good in the neighborhood because I'll be eating everything. So guys, these are my dinner rolls, and I took one from another pot. It's still quite hot, but you know me, I like them warm. Look at this. Ooh. Yeah, got the heat coming out to you guys. Oh my god. Guys, you just need to try this. Like, oh my gosh. Trust me, it's all that. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. You know, if you're a food fan, of course I'll have a whole lot more food for put up. Yeah guys, like and subscribe if you are new. Welcome to the family, and I'm out. Love you guys.